I'm Judith and I'm doing psychological counseling and coaching. What motivated me to work with Danny is her approach to quiet marketing. I'm a high sensitive person and a projector, so I don't have the energy to do marketing activities every day like social media. I wanted to work with Danny to help me to improve my discoverability of my business. I want to attract clients without being on social media every day. In the program I joined, she taught us how to do and use market research for our business. She showed us practical and simple ways how to do that and to use the results to create thought leadership content. From there, I was able to create blog articles I can be discovered by. Thanks to Danny and the framework she taught us, I lost the fear of expressing myself. I feel like through the market research, the questions and the guidelines she gave us, I have a template now on how to create blog articles. It feels so much easier to do than before, as I feel I have a structure to follow now. Writing blog articles was on my list for a very long time, so I'm very glad that I finally did it because of this program. What I really liked working with Danny is that it felt like there was a clear thread throughout the whole program. Every step was building up for the next. Also, the speed was just right for me. It wasn't too rushed and also not too slow. So I'm very grateful for everything what I have learned. And I feel like I got a lot out of the program. So thank you very much, Danny, for that.